Aquasinsia Commander 6 Kano Sedia Catchos Ebekan Sedia Cimetier Nabians Macachos Yemfa bi ensie Yemfa bin kan yenye bi emfa enfremu Mediri Aquasinsia Asem Cabre ena edrusi Alape kwekwanem se Kumokese onum eya by the river gas and penifo apa ho ento be de ho komo na asem bi wo ho mu a eno some course be na free Ghana Armed Forces mu eba no na no dey so Minister for Defense Dr. Adom Buama I think was penifo sa ko ba ko hwe enema bi mu biem especially when it comes to the appointment of the Chief of Defense Staff. The senior officers no enwienwie dodo. Omo nwienwie dodo. The senior officers na wo armed forces mo no omo nwienwie dodo. Like the military in general. Omo nwienwie pa. Weba mame Felix Kwacho Fosu honorable let Kratara Ushinenura indicating some penny some changes to our other service officers nimu. That the parliamentary ahefo so when you know akrata ora Felix Kwacho for so honorable issue here on behalf of the president. Or see appointment of new service chiefs for the Ghana Armed Forces. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic and Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, has made changes in the command of the Ghana Armed Forces. The President has appointed the following as acting service chiefs of the Ghana Armed Forces, pending consultation with the Council of State. So, so I'm hoping say in the consultation of the Council of State, this issue will come up. Now, one of them, acting Chief of Defense Staff, Brigadier General William Ejapong. Brigadier General William Ejapong. Share title and famame. Remember the titles how to be a war armed forces no emu. In part of no. So Brigadier General William Ejapong. Second, acting Chief of Army Staff Brigadier General Lawrence Kwaku Egbeto. And look at the issue said I say what about mama the other one where you listed the titles in the Ghana Armed Forces. So see the ranks. Where you break down of ranks and what Ghana Armed Forces. So commission officer ranks. You general and our flag officers. They know about general and kasa. The senior officers know a lieutenant general. New di one a major general. It's no chat okra a brigadier general. If I make call of us kwachele no. Afọ send the ranks net here no. But man penny Mahama appointed CDS no so ye penny poor better Adom ni nyina no. E no ko pow. Sorry to say the least among the highest ranks. Meaning baby a foot to the free by Mr. President. And Dr. Adom Buama Sebia and Mawa to attention. And some of us, some of the senior officers in the war, the armed forces near Kasai. Actually, how discomfort they are. Now, even bringing together the senior officers by this junior officer, like in terms of senior officer ranks, difficult for him. Because a general, a major general, what's a lieutenant general, a brigadier general. Who's the least among the senior ranks? Not quite in CDS. So, me idea. That's what I'm saying. Say, my auto saw a war. The consultation, my penny, any Council of State, we pray and hope say the Council of State will give a good advice. We pray and hope they will give a good advice. Because we are coming from a background whereby ye IGP now please for number Bontimbo say. So we don't want to have a similar situation in the Ghana Armed Forces. If you cry IGP cry now what them what check cry that man for him say yes. Okay, one na actual senior rank officers now or can be crying. People still have their own issue. They're going to pick a brigadier general ahead of Mr. President. They are complaining. Yeah, no. Your adwuma say we have to entertain, we have to educate. The last part is we have to inform. So this is the information bit of it. So the Minister for Defense, Deputy, before the World Defense Ministry. I don't know the kind of discussions of course. So before arriving at this decision of making a Brigadier General the Chief of Defense Staff, when you have other high-ranking officers, a bit in the Asamaba, young correcting. And now the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable Emmanuel Amakofibua, a pow, a could be one to ma. Where a video no one ma for video let us know for the march pass of this river gas, yeah, pen for do more eba. Yes, see. Mrante ne maba we na ya power from the various mining communities. Enkaka baby a ensuo wo amanfo eye wo mining no e wo nsuo so. That illegal miners yo mo de wo nsuo so no. Ahọ ne ya power sa mrante ne maba we nyina e de afri se. Omo nkoboa ne yempam sa illegal miners yi efem free nsuo so. Wa won comments bebre ya eba ebimo ekeka na emwa yes. There be because the commitment to the fight against illegal mining. Ewo yensem. Ewo mampeni nsem. Ewo the last person na wote baby esa illegal mining nsem. Etine nyam ngwa say Honorable Sam George, the House Minister for Communication and Digitalization, MP for Ningo Pram, on the ticket of NDC. Ebeka say, "Se mampeni na Nana Dan Kwakufa they are committed in the fight against Galamsey. It shouldn't take him more than 1 week to win that fight." Na no crutch says say kasa commitment in all near kasa yebeye. That is why I think say President Mama people are asking Sam George. You gave Nana Dan Kwakufa the 1 week to do it. President Mama is almost 3 months. And I know so can say the fight against illegal mining no. Mumi nya se yede ya amanyosem. Akwa remember me kan ye na NDC fo bi dimatem o MPP fo amanisika o MPP fo amanisika MPP fo hwede o ye MPP fo adwuma ba on say enebesi president mama penso a etuo entwai no people are calling for consensus, which to me is the right way to go. And that's money I carried some time ago. Yeah, na NDC fo bi diatem no. Because no office say o kan sana as a woman abana be ye kan ma bia na ba say Ghana fo nyina ne hu na ba ye kan na abana ne wase ne to aba mfanti aban o say na oba de kro na mfiri hono ene enwa erasto sasare don ko ya me bisa ndisi fo na me ye koti ne bebre ene o se kwa no kro ntimi kra nkomu biem ene kwa no so ntimi nkomu biem makasa asem we. Let's take Ghana and stop this our partisan approach in dealing with issues of this nature. I didn't know how. But MPP no also tino yet be yamanyo semsa. And this no also tino yet be yamanyo semsa na adekro na eha o man no e da so tim honom. Me ba cho share Galamsey for videos ni bi mame. I didn't how mine no. Ni a jade corner how mine as you. Now if you MPP NDC, MPP NDC. That was what the last time we said those NDC for no penifona na edimatem. I report him say me the hatching job of MPP they say. And I should not blame President Mahama. Say Ezunanitiana. Because Sam George catch them say Mampeni is serious. So person fighting Galamsey within 1 week obeti me aye. President Mama is 3 months in office. Yen you so no asiastic na. Also when magu ase. 20 Ghana nti. Onni o man ne ho. Ya wodwi wan ya o party. Yen yin se sabi nipa. Facha me. Ye must some of our thinking no emra se nipa dwen. County as ye. Tell me bisa say enne. based on some George as small kind so and fact as a president Mama failing in the fight against Galamsey now. The obvious answer is no. Send your mechano man penny a kufada president. Mechanic. We can't continue to blame the president. We can't. I can't continue to blame President John Dramani Mahama. But I'll blame ourselves. Yang, Mwo, and me. Yet, I am Shahama, number 2 baby, Andrew. Because Penny she no me 20 Ghana, set for 10 Ghana top bandem. Quite associate the cousin. I could find no, I could find no, I could find a so I could find and ask 1 year who had a quiet. And I the crona baba saw 9. We are all down for. Mommy and Nimped for Nachi Brace how. Sekoba so my Ghana ye credentials and so why we are saying na John Mahama akufa the bet me ato na me no me eno e. Me no me eno e. It mo me amfa manyo asem ni empanifo na chi bebre. Because ye pe abansi science no everything should be bad. Something we can all collectively. Also, the NDC in Penfo be calling for a collective responsibility in how we deal with Galamsey. The issue is where were this in Penfo when this when Akufo-Addo was in power, calling for the same collaboration. Now, sir, NDC in Penfo are calling for a collective approach in dealing with this menace. Now, Omo Wahefa. Amanyo Semunti. You are calling for collective responsibility, but now we are calling for the right way. Say you know from top to down. Young country say we are failed on my Ghana when it comes to the fight against Galamsey. You know yen tum. Say enim guasia de ma yen nyina say. Yatina say ye twan ama hoho de won fidie from mine so. Say yen so. Wa bra me no mienu. Gata mu so wo China kwa yen tumi nya fin. Gata mu so wo China. Did you want him so wo China? E de anwa kogu am gata mu crash ade. Hwe ne beto. But me no mienu aye twan. Oh, he no take kura na say ye twan. Ama China ni na woni masantimantem no. Ababru ba bia fam e go de hye. Ade afidie ba besi yensuo so say no ena ye mpanifo na ya political party no omo pese me community onya bi different China for into no ene e say ene ndi so boy ni ye pie before no mo kamane abani me ni e jai entokona siwo ni ya MPP NDC we are sick it comes mamenka we are sick as a country. We should all bow our head. Shame. Now, kudos to the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources. Sewa pass ekwe untuma. Enura mididi komo ba akumi no bi wo wasoye without recourse to you. Kona mpese hu se ensem na mo kekan no krotrodo pa bi wo mu a. With this approach, this river gas, that weba mamsa a river gas no video ni biem. With this river guards, no. See me any come near Cassia Beya, a bit me a boy one or the other. One, and Babunu Yenina, a year, yes, let them from the various communities Nasa illegal mining Ecoson. And now you shall say you can make us as say, a Mabuni man for that to be illegal mine or more any can sorry. O sorry to qualify free and cry and yajuma. Eja me catch us a Ralph mo demonstration kweno. Na fa so bia ni so na mo di batam no. Me catch am say, "Vama wo mo demonstration mo ye no 37 no. Ntabi na nyansa bia nu na mo di batam no." Se mabru na wo ba bia e Galamsey no, so mo ansore. Okuni nkosia gada. And this is the first approach. These are the people who wo biaya. Sa illegal mining in Ekos won so. Eti ufa enso the difficulty anafo. edaja edebesi ne bram so a wo munim ensuo ne so wonim baabi asa legal miners abo won sisi nyina in fact wonim omokra it's easy for them to identify blow the whistle am for obitime formo efre bi omo no unless virtually it's a full-time employment 2,000 Ghana cedis a month you bet you snakes you bet you taxes or other incentives you bet so there are about 400 na ya form se see na demo ekono you bet snemo mo masikape enkonkodi monim mo masikape enkonkodi monim na enkowie che mo kwaji kapre ne sempoa enfenfiri galamsefo na adwuma poti abade ya shamosa no mo nkoto na jeje mu sina no me catch no onse framantem ya shada nya mine papa bia ho enso ho ayeden ena no central no mo kwade ma catch so we so ka me mo bi kura bi num central region so ho ayeden because a fee way ensuom no naturally ensuo bi efi wom ejina ensuo kra so free suro abo se ensuo kracha bo se fi wase ensuo free suro eto free suro ento hwesuo e free suro straight o so a o hwa ase akabo se fi wase e o se e fie wo ensuom at least akosra be se 500 ml but e fie wo ensuom ra ye so embia be pipe no e over 5,000 ml eno se ne beguma betimi ate ani di amaye tina meka kire enwama ya fa mo nan mo mo man ho dadwen enam akoma so mo ni o man ho eso man na ma ya dwuma kese se ba bonifo bi eseye man no ni pa bonifo bi ahye kroti a o mo tete ye be nam ye dwumadi so atu wona se that should be your mentality. Not because any amount 100,000. Me no boys ya che okay. It is free kwa brem to him. A penisi edija e ye chen di preku. Ya nyu o man ho kane. Ya mo man wa yam hihie ento ye so. E bi say for how long ye betina say antwan ama say ni paboni foi asay ye kwaye asay ye nsuo asay ye mfudie asay asase. Ya men kan nyire ho. So minister, I pray say ono manfo mo so mo fele sa amrantie na metimi abo mo amo metimi awie peyo o man kwabra sante ene bedwafo aye krado e de pense mu e beto aso na wo quick one amfa nko Adom kitchen na ko hwe aduane anopai ye as part of Ghana month me did akwasensia background